This is how to turn off auto download on WhatsApp. First, we are going to hit WhatsApp on your desktop, and then we are going to more options at the top of the screen. And then we are going to hit the settings button, and then we are going to scroll down to storage and data. Once we're there, we'll scroll down to media auto download. We have three options there: when using mobile data, when connected on Wi-Fi, and when roaming. So right now it's all set to all media. So we are going to go into the first option. So when using mobile data, you can see that all the boxes are ticked for photos and audio, videos, and documents. So we are going to untick those boxes, and then we are going to click OK to prevent any auto download when using mobile data. And now we are going to do the same exact thing for when connected on Wi-Fi. So we are going to untick those boxes, and then we are going to click OK, so that when even connected on Wi-Fi, you are not going to get all those media auto download. Yeah, we're gonna do the same for this one as well. We will untick all the boxes, and then we're gonna click OK. So it's done. So you can just hit the back button, and if you like to cross check, we can just go back to that more options button and click settings, and then we are going to go back to storage and data, and then we are going to see that everything is set to no media, no media, no media, and the problem is solved. This is Recommendally, your home for friendly guides. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to share the love and help us make good content like this.